Hi everyone, and welcome to Glen Tutorials once again. Uh, your exams are coming near. Maybe you have a test which is coming near. Maybe you have some orals which are going to be asked by your school or your classes or your parents or whatever. But so you all know that you all have to study. But the problem is you all are bored. You all are not being able to study. There are many reasons. It might be the pandemic fatigue. It might be you all are staying in a joint family. It might be that you all are having a lot of distractions. So here I have just made this video to tell you all 5 tips or 5 ways in which you can turn this around. Let's go ahead. Okay. So first thing what you have to think is, are you happy with your existing lifestyle or your existing life, the way you all are leading? By this I mean that suppose you all are staying in a small house or a bigger house or whatever. 99.9% all of you are not satisfied with your life. You want something or the other. You always feel that the grass is green on the other side. You always feel that person or this person is more blessed than what I am. Okay, so this video is about how you can turn these things around. You are feeling bored, right? You have to study, but you are still bored. Now you have to develop interest in studying when you are bored. Automatically, you will not feel like studying. You have to develop the feeling of studying. Now let me go to the first slide, what I'm showing you. Can you see the lifestyle what these people are leading? It is not an amazing lifestyle. There are rag pickers, there are garbage collectors, there are laborers. Now, this is not to show you all that these people are cursed or they are not blessed or whatever. These people have not chosen this lifestyle. They could have had a better lifestyle, but because of many reasons, maybe their parents couldn't afford their education, or many other reasons they did not want to study or did not have such an environment to study. There might be some of them who had an environment to study, but they didn't make the most of it. So they are living such a life. Do we want to live such a life in our future? Obviously, your answer will be no. Or do we want to live such type of a life where we have an amazing job, where we have an amazing house, a car, we have a luxurious life, we have a very loving family who's close to us? See, whatever your lifestyle is now, it is not going to be the same forever. You know you can turn these things around. So the first thing that you need to understand is what your life is and what you want it to be in the future. If you are 100% happy with your lifestyle, continue this. Don't study. Get bored. Enjoy life. But if you feel, no, I want to turn this. I want some changes in my life. I want some changes in my house. I want some changes in the way I'm living. I want some changes in the lifestyle my parents are living. My parents are struggling now. I want to turn this around. So this should be the prime reason for you to take your book and study. Because the only way you can do well in your future is by getting educated, right? You get educated, then only you can study. See, whatever your future is, you must be knowing many people. You have internet for you. Through the internet, you know many people, those who are bankrupt, those who are, there are many, you guys may be following some actors, actresses and all. There are many actors, actresses who are nowhere to be seen at the moment because they are not educated. They don't have a plan B. You know, education is the only thing that can save your future. It is not necessary that, you might choose a business, you might choose to become a sportsman, many things. But if you are educated, you always have a plan B. If your plan A doesn't work, you know that you are educated enough that you won't be without money. You'll always have money in your pockets. That is only if you are educated enough. Now, by educated, I mean not being an average student. You have to think of being the best. You have to think of being, we all have big dreams. We all have big dreams. Keep one slogan in mind. How much you want to be educated depends on how much you want to earn in your future or how much money you want to earn in your future. The more you are educated, the more you are going to earn money. Simple as that. Simple as that. You are not going to get whatever money you want by being lazy, by being uneducated. If you are going to get a certain percentage in your exam, if you are striving to get 90, 95, you are working hard. And if you are working hard, you know that by working hard, you get results. And it's obvious that even in your job or even in your future, even in your career, if you work hard, there will be results. There will be money, there will be luxury, there will be anything. That is only if you slog it out and work hard. And the only option is, at this very moment, you can't do anything. You can't start your business. You can't do anything at the very moment. The only thing you can do is getting educated. That is the only way. The next one, convert your laziness to proactiveness. We all are lazy. There are many reasons. We cannot blame, at this moment, we are done with 1 year of the pandemic. We cannot blame the pandemic. We cannot blame anything. There are, like us, there are many people, many students who are facing the same issues. So we should be able to to remove this habit of being mediocre, remove this habit of thinking that, okay, we are lazy. There are many, my friends are lazy, so I'm lazy. No, change this. Be proactive. Now you guys will think, how do we do this? How do we be proactive and all this? We have nothing to do. We're just lying in our house all day. You can only do one thing, is study. Now by studying, I'm not saying take a book and sit and read. No, there are many ways in which you can turn this around. Studying, many ways you can turn this habit of studying of yours into something interesting, into something exciting. Download videos from YouTube. Whatever your topic is, suppose you are doing extraction of phosphorus or extraction of sulfur, extraction of iron, you are studying science. Just don't take your textbook and keep reading. Download videos, go online, watch lectures, make folders in your computer, on your laptop of all those videos of your subject. You don't need to get some guidance from anyone. You have the internet in front of you. You are blessed enough. That is the reason you have an internet when you're watching this video. You are blessed enough to turn your laziness to proactiveness. You are blessed enough to see that many ways are there in which you can turn your life around. Download videos, watch things online, highlight topics. Don't just sit and read. You will be lazy if you sit and read. Turn this reading into activeness. Do something. You can download videos, you can watch lectures, you can make folders, you can, with colored pens, you can keep on underlining and highlighting things which you feel interesting. And you can even record yourself. I have even made a video in which you can remember things what you study. So these all things will make you take interest in your studies rather than getting bored and being lazy. Apply this. This will really work. What is your reason to study? See, we need reason for it. We go to school. Now we are not going, but we go to, because of the pandemic, we are not going to school. But whatever we are having online classes, we are doing everything for a reason. We eat food for a reason, for our health. We drink water for a reason because we are thirsty. Or whenever we are not thirsty also, we need water for our body. So to study also, we need the reason. What is your reason to study? Your reason is whatever I have told. You need a good life in future, right? You need a good life. You need a life that your parents are struggling for whatever reason. If they are struggling or not struggling, whatever reason your parents are going through, whatever they are going through, you feel like changing it, right? Sometimes you feel my dad is going in the morning, coming in the night. My mom is also going to work and coming. Both of them are juggling with housework. You want to change this. You want to have a luxurious life. You cannot tell your parents, you have it, you do it. You turn it around. You change my life. No. Your time to do things. Now, I'm not telling you guys, go and learn, earn money, go and work and earn some money. No. The only thing you can do is study, and you should have a reason. Your reason to study is because you want to change your future. You want to change your life. That is the reason you are studying. If you have an attitude that I want to change things, I cannot depend on my parents to keep changing things for me. I want to change things for my future. I want to change things for my life and for the betterment of my siblings and my parents. So this should be a prime reason to study. Study only for one person, that is you. Don't think that I am studying because my dad will be happy, my mom will be happy, my elder brother, my elder sister will be happy, my class teacher will be happy. No, study for yourself. It is of no use if they're being happy. They are going to provide you with things. They're going to provide you with all the basic necessities and facilities for you to study well. But the only one who can change your future is you. The only one who can change and get a luxurious life in future is you. Nobody else. Nobody else is going to do that for you. Your parents can only provide. They cannot do it for you. Remember that. So keep one attitude in mind that I want to study, and I want to study and work hard only for one person, that is me. I want to study for myself. I don't want to study for anybody else. This attitude will really change the way you look at your book. Before you take your book and study, before you take a book and suddenly think I am bored, I don't want to study. But you will think that no, I am doing this for myself. I will study, my life will change. Keep that in mind. Strive to become independent. We always have a notion that I'll keep asking money from my parents, even if I'm grown old, even if I'm 20, 25, 30, whatever my age is. since they love us, they are providing us things, I'll keep taking from them. No. Change your attitude. They can provide you up to a certain limit. Remember that. But if you work and you earn, there is no limit for you to work and earn. And there is no limit for you to spend only if you work and earn. And how you are going to work and earn? By getting educated. And by you getting educated, this is your time to get educated. And this is your time to think of the future. And the future should be to become independent. Even if you plan to get married in future, whatever your future is going to be, you want to be independent. You want to be dependent only on yourself. And this is only if you're educated enough. So that striving, that attitude of doing something in your life and becoming independent and not dependent on anyone around you, this feeling should make you study. This feeling should take away your boredom. The last reason, work hard now and relax later, or you relax now and you work hard later. Simple logic. Simple logic. You feel you're going to enjoy your life, I'm going to relax, my parents are providing me with everything. Think and keep this in mind. 10 years down the line, after that, you will struggle. Your parents can't keep searching for jobs for you. Your parents can't invest in businesses for you. You have to do that. Imagine whatever, even if it is Ambani's son, if he was not educated enough, Dhirubhai Ambani's son, Mukesh Ambani, if he was not educated enough, he would not do so well at the moment. If Dhirubhai Ambani would think that Mukesh Ambani, okay, he's my son, I'm going to give him everything, relax, I'm going to tell him to relax. After he's gone, Mukesh Ambani would be duped. He would not be how successful he is. Same thing with you. If you think your parents are rich and okay, I'm going to enjoy life, even if your parents think they love you, so they are okay with you not studying or enjoying your life, but you change that attitude. You change it. You think that no, if my parents are even pampering me, I will not be pampered because I don't want to relax now. This is my time to work hard. There is no end to study, but your body will not cooperate with you after 10, 20, 30 years. What brainstorming activity you will be able to do now, how you will be able to rack your brains and struggle now, you will not be able to do it 10, 15 years down the line because you will have many other things to do later. This is your time to work hard. Then only you will be having a luxurious life later. By luxurious life, I mean you'll be able to enjoy whatever you have worked hard on. Or the opposite, you relax now and you know there'll be a time where you'll think, okay, I'm done with relaxing. I cannot relax anymore because I have to struggle now. Because I relaxed, I have to struggle now. So these are your 5 most important reasons that you need to apply in your life to study and to work hard. You cannot let boredom take over you. You cannot let laziness take over you because this will affect you in your future. You will think that future ka baad mein dekhte hai. No, you cannot say that baad mein dekhe because now the time is in your hand. You cannot say that. You can make the most of this time so that your future is good. You cannot waste this time. Think of all these reasons. Whatever you have, whatever I have showed you, whatever reasons I have showed you now, think of all these reasons and think of whatever life you're going to have. And remember one very important thing, that you have to study for your parents. You cannot do anything now for them apart from studying. The only happiness you can give your parents is by living a stable life. Your parents see you living a stable life, they will be happy. That's it. They don't want your money, they don't want anything from you. They only want you to be happy. Not because of them. Be happy by you taking care of your own life. If your parents see you taking care of your own life, that is the only happiness they'll get. And if you're making your parents happy, you're making God happy. And when you're making God happy, everything falls in place. You will always have a peaceful, stable, luxurious life. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for many such videos. Thanks for watching. Till the end, take care. Bye. Stay safe. Take away boredom. Destroy boredom. Defeat boredom. And remove and find out reasons to study. Dig out reasons to study. Then only you'll be having a successful future and a successful life. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay safe.